Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Loopring or LRC token. In today's video, I want to talk about a big falling wedge that Loopring is about to break out very soon. And I will also talk about a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that Loopring has formed on the weekly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this big harmonic bullish reversal bat move that Loopring has formed on the weekly time frame, and I shared this a trading setup for my members at the Patreon on 31st of January when the price line entered the potential reversal zone. And let me to show you this chart. And you can see at that time, after completion of the final leg, the price line moved above this buying zone. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to catch it from this buying zone. And you can see that this potential reversal zone is quite wide, from 75 cents and goes to 34.8 cents. Therefore, I told my members that we have a very strong support here at 60 cents. Therefore, this can be the maximum extent of the buying zone, or we can also use this level as our stop loss as well. Now, I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price line moved down and entered the buying zone once again. Right now, it is being traded approximately at 69 to 70 cents. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then still it is stuck in a very big falling wedge pattern. It was entered in this wedge here in the month of November 2021, and even after several attempts, the price line is not able to break out this wedge. But you can notice here that the price line is testing the resistance, or touching the resistance more than the support. That can be a very clear signal for the breakout very soon. And you can see that we are still above this very strong support of 60 cents that I told you here. We have a very long-term support of 60 cents, and the price line is very close to that support. Here we moved very close to the support. Here we moved again very close to the support on 22nd of January when I shared this idea. And you can see that the price line so far did not break this support down. And if we take a look at the previous history, then we can see previously it has been breaking as a nice resistance here, as well. And let me show you on the weekly time frame. By the way, here as a resistance, and on this weekly time frame it will be more clear. You can see as a resistance and as a resistance for the past several weeks, from March 2021 to August 2021 here, and finally broke out the resistance here in October 2021 and rallied very well. And right now it is again above that resistance and did not break it down. Therefore, we can expect that now we are very close to this resistance while moving inside this falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame, and now it can break out this resistance of the falling wedge very soon. Now, if we take a look at the target for the falling wedge, that can be the top of the wedge here, approximately at $3.60 to 70 cents. However, if we take a look at the Fibonacci based targets of this harmonic bullish reversal bat move, and that is starting from $1.93 and goes to $3.18. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.